Yo, what's up you guys? Good morning. What time is it right now? It is Friday at 6:17 in the morning. Even on my day off, man, I'm still on the grind. Today is a big day, man. You can tell by my voice, I sound like I just woke up, but it's all good, you know what I'm saying? That's just that morning voice, you know what I mean? Duh, you just switch it up sometimes on the phone, you know what I mean? Man, I can't wait. Prime time is right there behind me. We're gonna go head to the shop, and Muffler Masters of Avondale, my guy out there, Chris, you know what I'm saying? I've been messing with, Muffler Masters of Avondale for a hot minute. They're the ones who've done my exhaust. They're the ones who built the exhaust. I told them I had the idea of what I wanted, and Chris made it happen. He said, man, save a couple of dollars, we'll make this thing work. So, shout out to this rabbit, though. Oh, he just ran around the car. I was gonna say, shout out to this rabbit trying to get. Go ahead, my man. Look, ain't nobody. The neighbors can't say nothing. It's daylight right now. They ain't gonna say nothing. Prime time. What we gonna do, man? Can we give these people a little cold start real quick, dog? There it is. The exhaust tips, they're in the car too. So let me show you guys. We're going from the 5-inch single tips to the back to the quad tips, 4-inch. Let me show you. Those are getting removed. Those are getting put back on. So I can't wait to get those put on. Now, a lot of people ask me, they say, yo, Dilla, where you get 4-inch quad tips? Those are custom made. Those are actually single 4-inch tips, but they're welded together. So they ain't moving anywhere, you know what I'm saying? Custom set, you know what I mean, for prime time. Alright? So, I'll just see you guys over there, man. I'm gonna jump in the whip. Prime time's ready to go. I'm gonna go head to the shop, bro, and I'm gonna record when we get over there. Holla. Alright, what's up, you guys? So, I'm sitting in the car right now, and I'm in front of the shop, actually. So what I decided to do was, because I was waiting, because they got to get all set up and stuff like that. Man, when you get hungry, bro, money, you know what I'm saying? And they ain't paying me to post this up right now, but if they do see this, I'll let you be easy and easy, you know what I mean? And then at the same time, can't go wrong with any of that, you know what I mean? I was debating on what I wanted from QT, but at the same time, while I'm waiting, man, I figured, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of protein while we're waiting, checking, you know what I'm saying, checking Instagram. Make sure you follow your boy. We're about to hit 50K real soon. We're creeping up on that. I don't know if it's gonna show it. Can you show it? Hold on, let's see if I can. There it is. We're so close to 50,000. Yo. If you don't follow me, man, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Camaro ZLS. But yeah, man. Look at that. Messages coming in, dog. I appreciate you guys, man. All the Priminators out there, you know what I'm saying? You showing me all that love, man. It's a lot of love, bro, you know what I mean? But yeah, in the meantime, man, I'm gonna wait for these guys so that way we can go inside. I know there's a few cars, I guess there's a few cars ahead of me because, they get slammed here, you know what I mean? So it's like first come, first serve, you know what I mean? So Muffler Masters of Avondale, that's who I've been working with for years now, since day one, to be honest with you. I brought Prime here. I forgot who recommended them to me. Somebody told me when I think I posted it on Instagram. I was like, yo, does anybody know where I can go? You know what I'm saying? It's a good shop. And as soon as they told me, man, me and Chris, the owner, you know what I'm saying, we just clicked, and Prime became one of the biggest sounds on Instagram and YouTube, with the Camaro, you know what I mean? Especially being a V6. So I appreciate all the love, man. I'm really tired, bro, but I'm excited at the same time because that gap that's back there right now that's got a single tip, it's gonna have the quad tips. I got that right here on the passenger side, and I can't wait to just get them installed, man. All they gotta do is cut them right in front of the mufflers, weld those on, and we good to go. Those are the exact measurements that were already on the car. Those are the original. So all you literally gotta do is cut it right in front of the muffler, and then boom, you know what I'm saying, dog? I just wanna get it in, man, because I wanna go to the gym. I'm hyped to go to the gym. I gotta go to Practice Motorsports today too. Stop by them. Those are my people, man. Shout out to them. They're the ones who sponsor my car, where they wrapped Prime in this custom Optimus Prime wrap. So I absolutely love those guys. They literally make dreams come true, dude. Like, whatever you have in your mind as far as a vision, dude, they can make that happen, you know what I mean? But I'm definitely gonna do another video on just that, you know what I'm saying? So just to show them a lot of love and show you guys the work that they do. But today it's all about Muffler Masters of Avondale and my boy Chris and his staff, you know what I mean, and all the work they do. So I'm gonna make sure we're gonna go inside, man, so we can check this out, dog. All right, let's get it. My man Chris is in for a little surprise, so hopefully we don't have any issues. So let's turn the camera around. I'll show you guys what we're looking like. I told you, he's like, ooh. See his face? He's like, oh, what up? Back up. You good? So what happens when you sit real low? You gotta make some fine tuning, fine adjustments. See if we clear. This always scares me, dude, driving up a ramp. That's Chris, by the way. Perfect. All right. Get out. Watch this thing. Let me try to make my way out. It was close, huh?
As close as you can.
That's what I said. I said, hey, I gotta ask Chris if it's gonna clear or not, because I forgot to tell him that I got an extra splitter on there now. It's a little bit lower.
We got the 20-foot lowering bores.
Yeah, this is definitely what helped out right here, you guys. Tip of advice, definitely have one of these. I drove right on top of that. That's what he was adjusting. So that way we can get Prime back up there on the lift. Super excited. Oh yeah.
Oh, I remember these.
Yeah, you see that? He's like, oh, I remember these. I built them. It is.
Still look good as new.
That's right. See that? And they say the vertical doors don't come in handy.
How long did you have that wrap on?
I've had it on now, I think for two and a half months, 3 months. Yeah, last time I came it wasn't on here. Yeah.
Last time you came it was like blue.
Yeah, it was that blue color, yeah.
The people that run the wrap shop, did they design it for you? Or did you pay someone to?
Yeah, they so I gave them the idea of what I wanted for the Optimus Prime theme, and then they design it, and they have a designer that they work with, and then they send you the render. They send you the render like with your car, with the render, so you can see what it looks like.
I think we're just gonna cut these, and I might make little adapter pipes. That'll work out just fine.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there's that big ass MagnaFlow we put in the middle.
Yes sir. You sure did put that MagnaFlow on there.
And the pipes up front that we're not going to talk about.
Yeah.
That was already like that.
That was already like that. Hey, you know what? It passed emissions. You know that?
Good.
It literally, I got no...
You got a tune then, hey?
There's a tune, yep, we cleaned it all up. And it passed emissions. Good stuff. It is good stuff. I love it. They got a build that they're working on right here. Let me show you guys. So it's Rocket Customs AZ. I'm gonna go ahead and tag that. But this is one of their builds, and then they got another one outside that they're working on. I mean, it's a straight up project car, you know what I mean?
building it from the ground up, literally. And then while they're working on Prime, custom build. And this is Dime right here. That's Dime. We got a customer walking in. Excuse me. How you doing? It's clean. This is the shop car. It took them 1 year to build this, and this is literally custom all the way around. The bed and everything was, the bed was hand built where they got all the wood, put it all together. That has an LS swap in there as well. Fires right up. Everything is new. AC. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. I mean, this is a cool cruiser, man. Inside, the whole sound system and everything. I mean, the sound system, I ain't gonna lie, man. I was like, yo, this is hitting pretty clean, man. You know what I'm saying? Pretty clean. But yeah, make sure you guys follow them on Instagram. The shop truck. This is the one right here where they load up everything, you know what I'm saying? Light the wheels up. You want to get your exhaust done, come down, Muffler Masters, AZ on Instagram. It's right there. They're Muffler Masters of Avondale. My boy Chris, I believe it was Ethan, if I'm not mistaken. Can you hear it? We're just idling, just rolling. 68 miles an hour on the highway. Super excited. Big shout out to Chris and all of them over there, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, they took care of Prime. I feel much better now that I got the quad tips put on. Something about it, man. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because the way the airflow goes, the way these tips are set up. I don't know. You know what I mean? But it does change the sound. I can hear it a little bit more legit. I can, and I love it. It's the OG Prime, you know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I'm trying to record this and vlog this while I'm driving at the same time. I'm not going to send it because there is a cop right in front of me over here. I'm on the highway. So, yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys, you know, show some love. If this is your first time on my page, man, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know, help me out. Give me a thumbs up on the video. That's what gets me the recommendations on YouTube. Please don't skip the ads. That's how I get rewarded. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to sound like I'm